it is fair to say things won't go back to truly normal until we have a vaccine that we've gotten out to basically the entire world.
America's staring at another grim week. New cases and deaths will spike again. Without a vaccine, social distancing remains key because only the virus can predict its course.
I think things are going to be permanently changed coming out of this until we get to a vaccine and we can fully vanquish this. We're not going to see a V-shaped recovery or a quick snapback, absent the ability to get a highly effective drug in the hands of doctors that can mitigate the risk.
We're looking at a year probably, or a year to a little bit more than a year for the development of vaccine, although I have to tell you, we are working very hard with industry and manufacturers to try to accelerate that timetable.
That's a long time. So you're saying best case scenario next April?
I think that's the best case scenario at this point, although we're really pushing hard to bring it sooner to the American people.
The race for the vaccine is the one that has touted in the most kind of like nationalistic terms, both in the United States and China, as sort of like an arms race. But you're also seeing a huge investment in vaccine research from the nonprofit sector. Frankly, historically, vaccines have not been big money makers for the big drug companies. So it tends to be driven by the nonprofit sector.
Will China come up with a vaccine for this before America? That's another question.
And will they be honest about it if they do?
You can start to see how the story ends, right? They will have a vaccine. Will it be 12 months or 14 months or 18 months?
It's still very open-ended up to the point where there's a vaccine that's widely available. Where this ends, like, where are we going to really normally go back to work? What's normal going to be? Will this go to the southern hemisphere and then come back, or just go to states that didn't shut down and come back? I really don't know.
Well, I'll be honest with you. I don't think the vaccine is going to be the ultimate solution, in my personal opinion. We heard Dr. Fauci talk about an HIV vaccine for years. And guess what? It was antiviral medications that was used ultimately to control that disease.
We may see the beginning of a resurgence, and that's the reason why we're pushing so hard in getting our preparedness much better than it was, but importantly, pushing on a vaccine and doing clinical trials for therapeutic interventions so that hopefully, if in fact we do see that resurgence, we will have interventions that we did not have in the beginning of the situation that we're in right now.